Hi, welcome back to my channel, where we learn English in a relaxed and chill way. Today, we are tackling the tricky world of prepositions of time: in, on, at. These small words pack a punch in the English language, helping us pinpoint when events occur. Let's unravel their mysteries together. Prepositions of time are like the coordinates of our daily conversations. They help us navigate through our days, weeks, and years with ease. Here's how they work. Think of in as a container for large periods of time. We use it for months, years, seasons, and parts of the day. Examples: in July, in winter, in 2025, in the evening. On is more specific. It's used for days and dates, like stepping stones across the river of time. Examples: on Monday, on the 4th of July, on your birthday. When it's about precision, at is your go-to. Clock times, meal times, and specific moments are its domain. Examples: at 3 p.m., at dinner, at sunrise. Now, let's put your knowledge into practice. I'll give you a scenario and you'll choose the correct preposition. You ready? Let's go. I have a meeting 10 a.m. The correct answer is at. 10 a.m. is clock time. We are going on vacation, August. The correct option here is in, because August is month. My appointment is Wednesday. The correct answer is on, because Wednesday is a day of the week. It's chilly here, the morning. The correct option is in, because morning is a part of a day. The stars shine brightest night. The correct answer is at, because night is a specific moment. Ready for a little challenge? Fill in the blank with the correct preposition of time. Let me know your answers in the comments below. The weekend, I love to go hiking. She celebrates her anniversary February 13th. We have a family dinner Christmas Eve. He usually works out the gym 6 p.m. The festival takes place summer, the park. Great job, everyone! Prepositions of time might seem small, but they are mighty in meaning. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using them like a pro. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more English learning tips. Have a good time, take care of yourself, and I'll see you guys in the next one.